copy on that, Captain. Are you able to ask any of the passengers what are they planning on doing with that runaway boat as of right now? Over.
Standby. Coast Guard, this is Towboat US. They do not have a plan.
Towboat US, US Coast Guard, Roger. Standby.
Said that runaway boat was it on the north side of Dunlop, is what he said?
It's on the south side of Dunlawton by Mills Creek. At this point, the boat is spiraling itself towards the shore. It may beach itself within the next minute or two.
Roger, Captain, just to confirm, there's currently no boat in the trajectory of that vessel, correct?
That is correct.
Roger, Captain, do you see anybody currently on shore where the vessel might obstruct or hit anybody? Over?
Negative. Everything on shore is clear.
Roger, Captain, are you able to stand by within that area and alert mariners that are crossing through that path? Over?
Affirmative, I can do that.
Roger, Captain, thank you so much. We'll be standing by on channel 16. I'll hail to you here in a second.
Send a text to Kendall.
What do you want to say to Kendall?
I'm south of Dunlawton. There's a runaway boat. I'm on with the Coast Guard right now. I'm starting to get concerned because as it nears the shore and the motor gets caught in the sand, it turns the motor straight, and I'm afraid that the boat is going to rocket out in a straight line. But fortunately, as it frees itself, the motor turns back to the starboard side and it just keeps going in a circle until it finally beaches itself.
Okay, cancelled.
Park on, all stations, This is the United States Coast Guard to Jacksonville, Florida. United States Coast Guard to Jacksonville, Florida. United States Coast Guard to Jacksonville, Florida. Break. 1550, according to reverse correction. Correction 1950, according to reversal time. 1550, Florida, runaway. In the vicinity of position 29er-09er.051 north. 080-57 decimal 0, correction 606 west. All vessels are requested to keep a sharp lookout.
Call Kendall.
Responsible report all sightings. Coast Guard, tonight commander. Coast Guard to Jacksonville, Florida, break.
You gonna try?
Coast Guard to Jacksonville, Florida.
You gonna try to get on it while it's there? Yeah. Okay. Coast Guard, this is Towboat US.
Towboat US, go ahead, Captain.
An individual on a jet ski has jumped onto the runaway boat and has stopped it.
Roger, Captain. Good copy on that. We'll be standing by on channel 16.
The white boat. The white boat up on the beach there.
Seatow reporting the runaway vessel earlier. United States Coast Guard Channel 16 over.
This is Towboat US. Go ahead.
Captain, my apologies, Towboat US, United States Coast Guard Channel 16, requesting to know, are you able to see the FL numbers on that vessel, and requesting to know if the person that jumped on board, is it a good Samaritan or is it a person from that boat itself? How copy?
Okay, it looks like New Smyrna police are on scene. I believe the jet ski was Good Samaritan. I looked over. I'd never really seen one in live before. I'm looking. That boat's going.
Him, I was running out. I haven't ever got to get the chance to send him a note on it now to stop one. I was hoping today was going to be today. Seen old cat retriever do it a whole bunch of times. Don't look that hard.
I was thinking that too, but see here if their impeller is still, because that thing, when it ran up on the beach, it was kicking up mud for about a minute before it stalled.
Yeah, no one got hurt.
What's that? Okay. Well, he was churning up a lot of mud before it stalled, so.
It's not clear in the video, but as this thing ran up on the beach, the motor was running wild, kicking up mud. So it's entirely possible it either burned out its water impeller or it's possible that the motor blew up. In any event, they're in need of assistance.
Are you guys towboat or Seatow member? Okay. Hey, he's one of your members, Seatow.
Alright, roger that. I'm coming over.
He's a Seatow member. I got him. I already talked to him.
Brother.
Well, in this case, it turns out they were Seatow members, and we respect each other's membership, so they get the job. But I did get the satisfaction of helping out, and until next time, stay safe on the water.